Everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation, and if you would like to know how I made this delicious chili, then keep on watching. Hey everyone, today I am teaching you how to make homemade chicken chili. That's right, homemade chicken chili. I already have the ground chicken in here, I really do, and let me bring you over this way a little more and turn towards. I wish I could put it up here, but that's not going to happen because the fat tip kind of broke that. So give me one moment, please. Okay, that might be a little better, even though you're seeing under here, no big deal. So anyway, like I was saying, I already have some ground Purdue chicken in here. And wasn't thawed all the way, but I'm going to tell you what, you do not have to thaw your meat all the way, because the heat from the pot or pan that you're cooking in actually kills that bacteria that may be in your meat. So what I'm going to do, and I love Better Than Bouillon, not a sponsor, but I use it. Take a good tablespoon. And this is the vegetable bouillon, which is going to be really great for this. Because it really is. I love this stuff. And then I put in the Stone Mill garlic paste. I love garlic paste. I really do. This stuff is so good for cooking so many different things. Let me get this open. Now we're just going to let that cook for a little bit until, because I'm going to stir this in here together. I'll show you this momentarily as soon as the meat starts to cook a little better. I have this on a medium-low heat to start this off just for the video, so that it wouldn't burn while cooking this. Now yes, I am using a good sized pot. What you want to do is you want to let your foods aerate as you're cooking them. And that way you get more abundance of flavor, but not overpowering flavor in your foods, which is always good, right? Man, this would be good with fry bread. Maybe the next time I make Native American tacos, I'll use my chili with that. Who knows, right? So I'm going to let this cook, and then we will put some other ingredients, so we will be right back with that. Now that the meat is done cooking, we can add some onion. Now I have some sweet onion, which that's my favorite, cut up right here. We just slide that on it. After this onion cooks up really nice, then we can add in some other ingredients. This I shall show you. Now if you forgot to get diced tomatoes, which I thought I grabbed, but you can use any salsa. A lot of people don't know this. Use your salsa, because that is what? It's, well, diced tomato or pureed tomato, but it has the other flavors in it that you might want, like jalapeno, maybe some green chili. And I'm just going to use a mild one today because I plan on putting in, it's right over here, the Chipotle, smoked Chipotle Tabasco. That's going to be nummy in there. So we let this onion cook up until it becomes clear. You know, like maybe the weather might be tomorrow. Anyway, this is a good year-round food, especially like winter. When you like a good pot of hearty food. Now the other thing that we're putting in here is 2 cans of tomato paste, 2 small cans of tomato sauce, a can, this is my really easy, quick, on a budget version of chili, a can of frijoles negros, that means black beans, by the way, don't get shit twisted, pinto beans, dark red kidney beans, and 1 can of chili bean. Yes. Like I said, I'm also going to add in the salsa and the smoked chipotle Tabasco. That's going to give this an abundance of flavor once those onions are done. So I will get those onions cooked up. Now that those onions are done, we now put in this order just a little bit of salsa, maybe about 1/3 of a cup. Stir that in. Now this is where your aromas from this really start showing because of the flavor factor of what's going into your cook pot. Now, this is where we want to add, and do this in this order. This is how you get your flavor. Your pinto beans. Need some liquid in there, add the bean liquid. Your black beans. The Spanish word for black is negro. Doesn't mean the other thing. Stir those. Add in your red kidney beans. You also get a lot of nutrition off of these, such as, well, protein and other good iron. And now add your chili bean in its mild sauce. Stir that up. Hope this is smelling really good. And the next thing you do is add both cans of your tomato sauce. Yep. Now this is going to be a really nice, you just kick back to make this, but it's going to be so full of flavor because you're going to let this simmer down after you put the ingredients in here. The other thing that I usually do at this point, which I will show you, a lot of people don't think about balsamic vinegar at all. This is your home remedy for a lot of inflammation. This is also your home remedy for a naturopath fat burner. This is true. So you're going to do 1, 2, and 3, because 3 times. That's a good thing. Now let's stew and brew. Oh, ooh, that smells delicious. Now you probably thought I was going to put in the tomato paste next. I'm just tricking you. Add in some more salsa. Gonna say that was about 1/2 cup. You can add 1/2 cup to a cup of salsa into this. Like I said, you just want like that nutrition factor off of your stuff. So it has jalapeno, it has tomato, and it has red onion, even though I added onion into this. Now there's 2 different kinds of onion in it. So my little trick is cut at both ends of the tomato paste can. That way when that comes out at the other end, and hope that it doesn't slide in there like that, that's that's kind of funny. You have cleared it out. Like, at least, I'm going to say 99% of the tomato has been cleared from the can. Do this like going at your spoon in here. That way you can catch it and get it. I'm sure you got that. Let me get this all stirred in, thickened up, and then I will add the Tabasco towards the end. So, brew up your potions of yum. Now that the pot of chili has more flavor in it, our next step will be the lovely smoked chipotle. Lovely smoked chipotle Tabasco. As soon as I get this one open, I forgot to open it, it's new. Now that this is open, put as much into your liking. Don't put too much if you know other people that can't handle spice. There's a lot of non-spicy people out there. But this stuff is really good. You know what? This is like that other stuff. But I put this shit on almost everything. And that's how good it is. It's good on everything. Now that this has come to a nice boil, it is time to plate this up, or should I put it in a bowl, bring it to the table, and have a nice, remember this is hot, a nice bite of this. Oh, that was really good. I have my friend here, all he has to do is go like this, and he's giving me a thumbs up on the flavor of this. Now remember, this is inexpensive. If you have Aldi near you, a Trader Joe's, those are the least expensive places to shop at to make something not only healthy, but with like a lot of flavors and vitamins and minerals in it. And don't forget that that is very important. Now, I put this on the table in case we wanted any more heat with this, but I'm going to say that this is just fine the way it is. And you can always add cheese or sour cream to it, but this is good by itself. I mean, look at that. It's just something very hearty, but easy to make. So just about anybody can make this. It's that easy to make. So if you would like to make something like this, remember, you can always do anything you put your mind to. And with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one.